Hi everyone, my name is Kasturi and this is day first of my building AI automation business. So right now I am having job and also teach home tuition. So my schedule is quite busy, but I have decided something of my own. So let me quick share my daily routine with you. From 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. I do job. Then from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. I do home tuitions and after that I come home and take some rest and around 7:30 to 10 p.m. I focus on learning AI. Yeah, you heard me correct. Learning AI to build my future. So even with my busy schedule, I am giving 2 to 4 hours of my daily to grow my business. So now let me tell you what I did today. Today I learned how to use ChatGPT. Now let me tell you what I do today. Today I learned how to use AI to create Instagram caption, tuitions notes and professional messages. I also create my first small AI businesses idea from with the help of ChatGPT and from different type of businesses that can I help with that. And it is a small step, but for me it's big amount, a big one. So right now I'm continuing to practice and improve my skill and I keep sharing my everything and to build my this business and I want you to stay connected with me. Let's build something big together. Thank you. I hope you like it. So please like and subscribe. Let's build something big together. Thank you. Bye bye. Today's date one is completed. Now my video recorder also completed, so I'm going to stop. Bye